Hi guys, my name is Kierstyn. I just wanted to do a quick educational video and explain what the difference is between market value and replacement cost of your home. So the market value can change depending on the climate of the current real estate market. If it is warm, the market value of your house can go up because supply and demand. It's a basic principle. If everybody is trying to buy a new house, you can sell your house for more than it's worth because everybody's selling their house and everybody is buying it. So you can get more than what you typically would be able to because, like I said, it's the basic principle of supply and demand. Somebody wants a house, you have it, you can charge more because they're not going to be able to get it anywhere else because houses are selling as soon as they get on the market. If the market is cold, you might not be able to get as much for your house as you normally would be able to because, again, supply and demand. There are too many houses on the market and not enough people are wanting to buy a house. Right now is the perfect example of when the market would be cold. People typically do not want to move in the winter, so typically if you do try to sell your house in the winter, you're not going to be able to get as much for it as you would if you sold it in the summer. It's kind of just basic. It's just the principle of the real estate market. It's just how it works. So replacement cost is different. Replacement cost is never going to fluctuate like that depending on the season. It does change depending on the characteristics of your house and what information you give us. So that is the reason that we ask all of the questions that we ask. We ask you if you have a fireplace, if you have hardwood flooring in all of your house or just part of your house. Do you have a custom kitchen? Do you have a basement or a slab or a crawl space? We ask you these kind of questions because we want to get an accurate estimate of how much it would take to rebuild your house. We take all of these things and we plug them into an MSB, which is a replacement cost estimate, and gives us a number, and then that is what we use to determine what your coverage A is. Sometimes these numbers can change, and there are two reasons for that. One reason could be if you're getting a new quote and you do not give all of the characteristics of your house. Like if you don't tell them that you have a custom kitchen or a semi-custom kitchen, or that you have a fireplace, or that you have brick siding instead of vinyl siding. There are different things that can cause your replacement cost to change if they don't know the characteristics. The other reason is inflation. Every year, your coverage A, your replacement cost, whatever you want to call it, it does go up a little bit, and that is, like I said, just due to inflation. And it's to make sure that if you were to have a total loss on your house, you have enough to rebuild your house. We don't want you to have a 2-story house before, and due to inflation and your replacement cost not being high enough, you now only have a 1-story. We really don't want that to happen, so we want to make sure that every year we do increase that limit a little bit, just to give you a little bit of room for inflation. The cost of materials go up, the cost of labor goes up, anything like that. So that is my little video on replacement cost versus market value. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Bye.